Turmeric, the golden spice with health benefits. Turmeric, scientifically known as Curcuma longa, is a vibrant yellow spice that has been an integral part of traditional medicine and culinary practices for centuries. Originating from the Indian subcontinent, turmeric is renowned for its rich flavor, distinctive color, and a myriad of health benefits. Culinary uses, a flavorful addition to dishes. Turmeric is a staple in many cuisines, especially in South Asian and Middle Eastern cooking. It is a key ingredient in curry powders, imparting a warm, earthy taste to dishes. Additionally, it is used to color and flavor rice, pickles, and various stews. The versatility of turmeric makes it a favorite among chefs worldwide, enhancing both the visual appeal and taste of diverse recipes. Active compound, curcumin. The golden hue of turmeric is attributed to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin is not only responsible for the spice's color but also its numerous health benefits. Recognized for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, curcumin has become the focus of extensive research in the field of alternative medicine. Health benefits: a natural healer. Anti-inflammatory properties: curcumin has potent anti-inflammatory effects, aiding in the management of conditions such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. Antioxidant power: turmeric acts as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals in the body and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Brain health: some studies suggest that curcumin may enhance brain function and lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Heart health: turmeric may contribute to heart health by improving the function of the endothelium, the lining of blood vessels, and reducing factors that contribute to heart disease. Cancer prevention: while research is ongoing, some studies propose that curcumin might have anti-cancer properties, inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and preventing the spread of tumors. Traditional medicine: Ayurvedic wisdom. In Ayurveda, the traditional Indian system of medicine, turmeric holds a special place. It is believed to balance the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, and is used to treat various ailments, including respiratory and digestive issues. Incorporating turmeric into your diet. Golden milk. A popular way to consume turmeric is through golden milk, a warm beverage made with turmeric, milk, and other spices. Curry dishes. Embrace the culinary heritage of turmeric by incorporating it into curry dishes, soups, and stews. Turmeric tea. Brew a comforting cup of turmeric tea by infusing turmeric powder or fresh turmeric slices in hot water. Turmeric supplements. For those seeking a concentrated dose of curcumin, supplements are available. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before adding them to your routine. Caution and considerations. While turmeric is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet, excessive intake or supplementation may lead to potential side effects. Individuals taking blood-thinning medications or with gallbladder issues should exercise caution and consult a healthcare professional. Cultural significance. More than a spice. Beyond its culinary and medicinal roles, turmeric holds cultural significance in various societies. In Hindu traditions, it is often associated with purity, prosperity, and fertility. Turmeric paste is applied to the skin during ceremonial rituals and weddings, symbolizing auspicious beginnings and protection. Farm-to-table journey, from rhizome to spice jar. Turmeric is derived from the rhizomes of the Curcuma longa plant. These underground stems are harvested, cleaned, and processed to produce the vibrant powder we commonly use in cooking. The farm-to-table journey of turmeric reflects a centuries-old connection between agriculture, tradition, and gastronomy. Global popularity and accessibility. In recent years, turmeric has gained global popularity, transcending cultural boundaries. Its perceived health benefits, coupled with an increasing interest in diverse cuisines, have led to the incorporation of turmeric into various international dishes. Turmeric-based products, such as lattes, teas, and supplements, can now be found on supermarket shelves worldwide. Research and future potential. Ongoing research continues to unravel the full extent of turmeric's potential health benefits. Scientists are exploring its role in managing conditions like diabetes, depression, and skin disorders. The synergy between traditional knowledge and modern scientific inquiry sheds light on turmeric's multifaceted nature. Sustainability and ethical sourcing. As turmeric's demand rises, there's a growing emphasis on sustainable and ethical sourcing practices. Supporting farmers who cultivate turmeric in environmentally friendly ways ensures the longevity of this spice and supports local economies. Recipes beyond borders. Turmeric's versatility extends beyond traditional dishes. Chefs and home cooks worldwide experiment with incorporating turmeric into diverse recipes, from smoothies and salads to desserts. Its ability to complement both sweet and savory flavors makes it a favorite among those exploring innovative culinary creations. Turmeric in herbal remedies, nurturing body and mind. Turmeric's integration into herbal remedies dates back centuries, finding a significant place in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. The medicinal properties of turmeric, particularly its active compound curcumin, contribute to its effectiveness in addressing various health concerns. Anti-inflammatory powerhouse. One of the primary reasons for turmeric's prominence in herbal remedies is its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a common denominator in many chronic diseases, and curcumin's ability to modulate inflammatory pathways has positioned turmeric as a natural remedy for conditions like arthritis, osteoarthritis, and inflammatory disorders. Digestive health support. In Ayurveda, turmeric is celebrated for its role in supporting digestive health. It is believed to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, promoting efficient nutrient absorption and easing various digestive issues. Turmeric's inclusion in herbal formulations for indigestion, bloating, and irritable bowel syndrome highlights its holistic approach to well-being. Immune system boost. The immune-boosting properties of turmeric contribute to its use in herbal remedies for preventing and managing infections. Curcumin's ability to enhance immune function and its antioxidant activity may aid the body in warding off illnesses. Natural antioxidant defense. Turmeric's antioxidant prowess goes beyond combating inflammation. As an antioxidant, it scavenges free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and potentially preventing cellular damage. This makes it a valuable component in herbal remedies targeting overall health and longevity. Adaptogenic qualities. In some herbal traditions, turmeric is recognized as an adaptogen, a substance that helps the body adapt to stressor and maintain balance. This adaptogenic quality makes turmeric a valuable addition to formulations aimed at reducing stress and promoting resilience. Combining turmeric with other herbs. Herbalists often combine turmeric with other herbs to create synergistic blends that address specific health concerns. For example, pairing turmeric with ginger may enhance its anti-inflammatory effects, while combining it with black pepper, containing piperine, can improve curcumin's bioavailability. Holistic healing approach. What sets turmeric apart in the realm of herbal remedies is its holistic approach to health. Rather than targeting isolated symptoms, turmeric addresses underlying imbalances, aligning with the philosophy of holistic medicine that considers the interconnectedness of the body, mind, and spirit. Caution and consultation. While turmeric is generally safe, it's crucial to exercise caution, especially when using it in concentrated forms or as supplements. Individuals with existing health conditions or those taking medications should consult with healthcare professionals before incorporating turmeric into their herbal regimen. The future of turmeric in herbalism. As interest in herbal remedies grows, so does the exploration of turmeric's potential applications. Ongoing research seeks to unravel its role in managing a spectrum of health issues, from neurological conditions to skin disorders, further solidifying turmeric's status as a versatile herbal ally. Turmeric's journey from spice rack to herbal remedy exemplifies its enduring significance in promoting well-being. Whether enjoyed in a delicious curry or incorporated into herbal formulations, turmeric stands as a golden bridge connecting tradition, nature, and the pursuit of holistic health. Embracing the golden spice. Turmeric, with its warm color, distinctive flavor, and health-promoting properties, stands as a testament to the interconnectedness of culture, cuisine, and well-being. From ancient Ayurvedic practices to modern kitchens, turmeric continues to play a vital role in enhancing our lives. As we savor the richness of turmeric-infused dishes and beverages, it's essential to appreciate the centuries-old wisdom embedded in this golden spice. Whether enjoyed for its taste or embraced for its potential health benefits, turmeric remains a symbol of the enduring relationship between nature, culture, and the culinary arts. So, the next time you sprinkle turmeric into your meal, remember that you're not just adding a spice. You're incorporating a vibrant thread of history and well-being into your daily life. In conclusion, turmeric's golden glow extends beyond the culinary realm, making it a powerful ally in promoting health and well-being. Whether enjoyed in a comforting cup of golden milk or sprinkled in a savory curry, turmeric continues to captivate taste buds while leaving a lasting impact on holistic health.